Hi, welcome to Gary Marshall Agency.
Gary Marshall Agency was founded by Gary Marshall Sr. in 1995. It started out actually a trailer that we put here, and then we actually put the office here later. We had a building downtown, and then Gary saw the potential with the agency growing to bring it out on the highway, and it's really worked out well. We have two offices now, one in Princess Anne and one in Salisbury. Our office here in Princess Anne, we actually have a drive-through window, and it's pretty unique, but it allows elderly people or people that would have a child in the car and they don't want to get out of the car to come in to make a payment. They come right through the drive-through and they drop off their payments, and a lot of our customers really like it. If the weather's nasty, they come by. I mean, we've actually had times that I can just stand there and just take payments, like 3 or 4 payments in a row, and I'm like, wow, I should just stay in here all day. But it works out real well because, if you have a child in the car or 2 kids in the car, you don't want to, and they also drop off forms and papers that need to be signed. We have 9 licensed agents. In this office we have 5, and we actually have 4 other licensed agents in our Salisbury location. We offer auto, home, life, health, and business insurance. We pretty much are more of a personal lines agency, but we do quite a bit of commercial insurance as well. The health insurance, we offer it when people need it, but that's kind of a change in industry right now. So, but mainly personal lines. Really, when they're shopping their insurance, to look over the coverages and understand and ask questions about what coverages they have. It seems like most people find out what they don't have in a policy after there's been a claim. So, really to understand what coverages are being offered and make sure they're comparing the exact same coverages, apples to apples, with other companies, and to really try to avoid lapses at all costs. When they have a lapse, they almost have to start all over again, and they lose all their prior insurance experience. Keep the driving record clean, and hopefully we can get the rates down lower and lower. We try to take each client's needs as if they were our own insurance needs, and not always focus directly on just price alone. Look at trying to get the total package for coverages and price. And sometimes that means they may pay a little bit more on one policy. However, if we can package it up and get them a better rate and better coverages, that way there's no lapses in their insurance coverage. They don't have any gaps in coverage. MAIF allows us to offer affordable auto insurance to a lot of people who otherwise wouldn't be able to purchase car insurance with quite a few companies. They're either declined or their rate would be so high that they just couldn't flat out afford the insurance. So MAIF allows us to get someone in and started so they can build their insurance experience. And it offers an affordable product in most cases.
My experience working with MAIF has been very good. They're very agent easy friendly. They have a VIN analyzer. You can get the license number if somebody doesn't happen to have the license number. They'll tell you a cancellation policy list, who's canceled 3 months ago, who's about to cancel. It's very, very user friendly, and they pretty much have a market for anybody that needs to be insured.
Thank you for coming and visiting us in Princess Anne, Maryland.
Find us on Facebook or call us at 410-651-1111.
Bye-bye.
If you are a MAIF producer that would like your business featured in our next MAIF Producer Spotlight, please contact us at maifsocial@emaif.com.